Hope everyone's doing okay. I just wanted to show you the SLC in size, because what we want to do is try and get things to align. So we get the greens to align for a buy and reds to align for a sell. So dollar CAD, dollar Swiss. But I am going to go through these pairs and I'll point out some levels for you. The ones that are mismatched, Euro Oz and Kiwi USD. Everything else is aligning, right? So hopefully that's clear. They're already short and they're adding short, so then that's therefore makes these a buy, and they're long, but they're adding long for dollar CAD, dollar Swiss. However, the Swiss bubble is strongest sell, so the dollar Swiss might do okay. The dollar has also gone into the strong sell section following Powell, so that's obviously bearish. Right, so we've got the Aussie USD buy signal, but we should definitely wait for the CPI data, which is at 130. Let's do the importance, take these off. Yeah, 130. So when that's gone now, well, that's still to come, but you know, we're not too worried about the Chinese data that much. But the CPI at 130. So that's, I'm not going to do anything until after that. So just keep that in mind. Very important. And there. So if we go above that, then we're going to be at like 4 decades high, right? So it's going to be a massive day today. Do note that things are aligning for risk on. Okay. So let's show you some levels. S&P, we've got 38.2 resistance. We had the 50% resistance, and how we tested it 3 times on H4. So the 12 hours, you know, it held resistance. Then Powell spoke, and you know, we launched, right? So that did hold resistance, like I said yesterday in that video. Maybe I'll zoom in a bit. So that we're looking at that dashed line. Held, fell, fake, then see, this was a fake, and then it pumped, so it looked like it was going to fall, but then, you know, so it's one of those things where we have to buy the dips. So it currently resistance, but it's going to come down and we're looking to buy. Okay, don't look to sell, just look to buy. And if we crack below 4544, it's a different story, because what will happen, will break, invalidate this harmonic, and will be below the shift channel, which is basically, you know, the channel created from that higher high, and so we crack below that, it's going to invalidate. And I probably might recommend that you wouldn't buy the dips until, you know, we see a flush out, perhaps. So 4544, and of course what will happen will be in this large descending pitchfork. And then that'd be fairly bearish, because we invalidate the harmonic and broke the channel. Alright, so yeah, I've got the stop loss clusters, so H4 should be fine. One above, actually I might zoom in a bit actually. It's quite large, we're close. You see that wick? AU 7225, and one below is 7145. We did break the pitchfork, but we've currently got resistance overhead from the diagonal, and that's from October 28th. So it's quite an old diagonal. Hit that, obviously bang on, and then that's going to be resistance. Okay, go back in. So this would be resistance area, so it's going to be interesting. So keep an eye on those levels. Dollar Swiss. So above the median line, so we had the support there, which is quite interesting, and you know, we had support there as well, which is quite freaky. So 92.30 is the support. There is SLC above 92.90 and 92.20. So the dollar Swiss, sorry, the Swiss bubble is strong sell, but so is the USD. So there's going to be a big battle here. So this could be interesting. If we break 92.47, we'll break the shift channel, and then we'll be in an ascended pitchfork and above the channel. So could be bullish sign. So we have to bear in mind that, you know, the retail guys would be getting paid. However, they are also long on the Swiss. So that's interesting. I'm a bit tired today because yesterday was quite infuriating, and I guess it was really cold at night, so I didn't sleep that well. Cable has broken the shift channel, so there was, you know, the buy opportunity there, which I missed at 135.45, and I think ups 136.49 and 136.20, and yeah, so resistance at 136.99, which is possible. You know, we might come up there. No doubt there'll be lots of stops up here. So yeah, quite technically strong. Okay, EU, and we're breaking the pitchfork, but we've got horizontal diagonal resistance there. It's a bit squished. Maybe zoom in a bit. So we had a lot of chop. You would have seen. Looks like we might be breaking out the chop because of this pitchfork break. Now the harmonic is bullish, so it's saying a diagonal break at that point at 112.32. You know, it would have been a buy because we've invalidated that diagonal. See? So there, came up, and we would have got everyone to broke even, and then, you know, you would have probably lost confidence. Yeah, that would have been a break-even trade, wouldn't it? It'd been pretty nasty. And you think, oh, why don't they take profit? And it would like infuriated you, and then you might just change your mind. And then, of course, you know, we went up. So, and we chopped a lot as well. So SOC above is just below the round number, and one below is 112.55. Levels there of interest. Dollar yen. Alright, so this could be fairly bearish because we've broken pitchfork, but we're above the shift channel. So 115.08, 115.46, and SOC above is 115.70, SOC below is 115 on the dot. Yeah, on the dot. The harmonic is bullish, but I don't know if it's strong enough to put us back in the pitchfork. And this fallen could impact your cross yen. And perhaps maybe we could be, no, wrong one, we might be resistance on the US 500, and if that has resistance, the dollar yen might fall. So keep an eye on that level. I mean, you could probably maybe even entertain a stop there. It's only 13 pips away, and the reward could be quite good. Yeah, you could get like a 3R trade if you target the SOC below. Tricky. Dollar CAD. Now the CAD is strong because we've got the oil. It's it's rallying a lot, so CAD's going to do well. A good pair to look at is CAD yen actually, because you've got the oil and then you've got the risk off, risk on proxy from in the yen. So 61.8 break. So you know that would have been a sell. SOC below is 125.36. One above is 126. I did say I wasn't going to make it a long video, so I'm going to wrap up after AJ, and yeah, and I'll stop the video because I didn't want it to make it too long. 83.40, 82.97. Now this is a strange harmonic because it's saying there's like a it needs to complete some more zigzags. Basically, it's a strange one. It's a bullish 5.0. So what should really happen is that we come up and then we create like a new high and then it comes down. So we get a harmonic like this. This is what it's suggesting. And then we do that, something like that. And then we create, then it would be the buy up down here, right? So it's just saying it's like an incomplete sequence. So we should be coming up to make like X, A, B, C, D. So we're on a CD, X, A, B, yeah, BC leg, yeah, BC leg. So yeah, that's it. So I think maybe keep an eye on your sentiment, but don't forget we've got the CPI data, which is going to skew everything anyway. So I'd probably recommend just to wait for that and then see how we go.